Otherwise, you have deceived yourself. You have brought many philosophies with you. Drop them. They have not helped you at all. They have not done anything for you. It is time enough, right time. Drop them. Wholesale, not in parts, not in fragments. For these few days you will be here with me. Just be without anything. I know it is difficult, but still I say it is possible. And once you know the knack of it, you will laugh of the whole absurdity of the mind that you were carrying so long. It is just like I have heard about a man who was traveling in a train for the first time, a villager. He was carrying his luggage on his head, thinking that putting it down will be too much for the train to carry. And I have paid only for my own self. I have purchased the ticket, but I have not paid for the luggage. So he was carrying the luggage on his head. The train is carrying him and his luggage. Whether he carries it on his head or puts it down makes no difference for the train. Your mind is an unnecessary luggage. It makes no difference to this existence that is carrying you. You are unnecessarily burdened. I said, drop it. The trees exist without the mind and exist more beautifully than any human being.